action.
This is KWTF. We interrupt this program with a very important message.
Social distancing.
Oh my. God. We know it is summer, but there have been sightings of snowflakes in various parts of the country. These snowflakes have been gathering with others of their kind. This phenomenon is impossible to ignore. They are blue in color and growing stronger as their numbers grow to an overwhelming storm. Many of these blue balls of energy have been sighted in red
Blue
areas.
balls?
Correction. Many of these blue orbs of energy have been sighted in red areas. They cause distress and consternation among the unmasked, but well-armed. God. Can winter be coming soon?
Winter is coming.
These snowflakes have begun to form a blizzard.
A blue blizzard.
As the blue blizzard grows in numbers and intensity, the power of the wind has increased to where it will blow the red tide back on out to sea on their sinking ship of state.
Cut.
Disinfection in process.